Welcome to BaseMount for BaseBase. This tutorial will show you how to install BaseMount on your Linux computer. The best place to start from is the basemount.basebase.illumina.com website. Click on the install icon and copy-paste the installation instructions to your Linux terminal. The installation process detects which version of Linux you are using and goes through setting up BaseMount packages. That's it. You are now ready to use BaseMount. The next tutorial will show you how to import the projects and runs used during this series of videos.